Hello friends, myself Sayyid Amir Sol Hashmi from MIP College of Food Technology. Today topic is HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Today discuss is HACCP, contents of HACCP. So first is introduction, history of HACCP, principles of HACCP, application of HACCP systems, implementation step for HACCP system, benefits of HACCP system. So first is introduction. HACCP is acronym for the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System. Codex Alimentarius Commission defined HACCP system as a science-based and systematic approach which identify specific hazard and measure for the control to the safety of food. A preventive system HACCP is a preventative system that is used in the food industry to help ensure food safety. A tool that analyze and control hazard. HACCP is a tool to assess hazard and establish control. Systems that focus on prevention rather than relying mainly on end product testing. So then is scientific based. So first is scientific based. HACCP implementation should be guided by scientific evidence of risk to human health. Okay, so next, during the past 20 years, most HACCP programs have been dedicated to food processing plants which are in the middle of the food production chain. Okay, more recently, the food industry has realized the importance of establishing HACCP principles for the end of the food production. Okay, food production chain. Example of retail food and food service operation. So first, HACCP definition of HACCP: a system which identifies, evaluates and controls hazard and which are significant for food safety. Definition of HACCP plan: a document prepared in accordance with the principles of HACCP to ensure control of hazard which are significant for food safety, the segment of the food chain under consideration. Okay, so first second is history of HACCP. The concept of HACCP was by the Pillsbury Company. Means the Pillsbury Company, the National Aeronautic and Space Agency, NASA, the Natick Laboratories of the US Army and the US Air Force Space Laboratory Project Group work together on a project in food production for the NASA space program. So next, the pathway of HACCP started in 1959. Okay, when Pillsbury was asked to produce a food that could be used under zero gravity condition in space capsules. Then in 1959 they began the project knowing basically nothing about how food might react under zero gravity condition. The most difficult and most important of the project was to develop a system to that food product would not be contaminated with biological, chemical or physical hazard. Such hazard might result in abort of emission. Biological hazard means microbiological hazard. Chemical hazard means pesticides, so etc. Okay, तो third one is principles. तो हम देखेंगे principles of HACCP. Okay, there are seven activities that are necessary to establish, implement and maintain a HACCP plan, and these are referred to as the 7 principle in the Codex Guideline 1997. The 7 principles are: first is conduct a hazard analysis, second is determine the critical control point, establish critical limits, establish a system to monitor control of the CCP, establish the corrective action to be taken when monitoring, establish procedure for verification, establish documentation. There are 7 principles of HACCP. They are very important of HACCP principle. Okay, so next is application of HACCP systems. So application of HACCP to any sector of the food chain, that sector should have in place programs such as good hygiene practices GHP according to the Codex General Principles of Food Hygiene, the Codex Codes of Practice and Food Safety Requirements. These programs to HACCP including training should be well established, fully operational and verified in order to facilitate the successful application and implementation of the HACCP system. So the application of HACCP principles consist of the following tasks as identified in the logic sequence for application of HACCP. So first is assemble HACCP team, second is describe product, identify intended use, construct flow diagram, one site confirmation of flow diagram, conduct hazard analysis, determine CCP, critical control point, establish critical limits for each CCP, then establish a monitoring system for each CCP, after then establish corrective actions, establish verification procedures, establish documentation and record keeping. So of details of application one by one. So first is assemble HACCP team. So an HACCP team is a group of food companies, so employees to which responsibility is given to develop and implemented HACCP. So that is team carries 8 pupils which have knowledge of quality assurance, food microbiology, food chemistry, food quality control, food processing, GMP, good manufacturing practices and equipment maintenance. Okay, so after one member of this team should it coordinate leader. Okay, he must have knowledge of HACCP. HACCP team must get training from top management with full support. So हमने देखे इसका डिटेल ऑफ HACCP, assemble HACCP team. So next is describe product. Safety of food product must be described to team is most important. Okay, the information will be utilized by taking in identical hazard, procedure, composition of process, example preservative, additives, toxic, etc. So that is information should be given to team. So example packaging material information should give it to team and also labeling instruction. Okay, so after identify intended use, who is the end user of product, use of product must be known, example children, old man, okay, etc. All hazard chemical must be not allowed. Okay, so next application is construct flow diagram. The flow diagram should be constructed by the HACCP team. The flow diagram should cover all steps in the operation for a specific product. It is useful to determine CCP. So flow diagram should be simple and logical drawn step by step. So next application is one site confirmation of flow diagram, means in assistance with persons who operates process should verify the diagram. So after this HACCP team might introduce or modify the process. Okay, next application is conduct hazard analysis. The HACCP team should list all of the hazard, means that may be expected to at each step according to the scope from primary production, processing, manufacturing, distribution until the point of consumption. The HACCP team means should next conduct a hazard analysis to identify for the HACCP plan which hazard are of such a nature that their elimination or reduction to levels is essential to the production of a safe food. So, in conducting the hazard analysis possible, the following should be included. So, first case, the likely occurrence of hazard, the qualitative and quantitative evaluation, so multiplication of microorganism, production of food of toxin, chemical, physical agent, condition leading to the above. Okay, so next application is determine CCP, critical control point. Okay, the determination of a CCP in the HACCP system can be facilitated by the application of a decision tree example which indicate a logic reasoning approach. Okay, so next determine CCP, a critical control point is a point step procedure in food manufacturing process at which control can be applied, and as a result a food safety hazard can be prevented or reduced to an acceptable level. So okay, so next application is establish critical limit for each critical control point. Next application is establish critical limit for each CCP. Okay, so a critical limit is the maximum or minimum value to which a physical, biological or chemical hazard must be controlled at a critical control point to prevent or reduce to a acceptable level. So that is means critical limit must be specified and validated for each CCP. In some cases, more than one critical limit will be at a particular step. Criteria often used include measurement of temperature, time, moisture level, pH, water activity, available chlorine and sensory parameters such as appearance and texture. So, next application, establish critical control point monitoring requirement. Okay, monitoring requirement critical control point. Monitoring activities are necessary to that the process is under control at each critical control point. Monitoring is the scheduled measurement or observation of critical control point. Critical control point is a must be procedure monitoring control at the CCP. Okay, to next application is corrective action. Establish corrective action. These are action to be taken when monitoring indicates a from a established critical limit. Specify corrective action must be developed corrective action are intended to enters commerce. Okay, so next application is verification procedure. Establish verification procedure. Establish procedure for verification and auditing procedure and testing, including sampling and analysis, can be used to determine if the HACCP system is work correctly. Example of verification activities include so review of the HACCP system and plan and its record, review of and product disposition, confirmation that CCP are kept under control. Okay, so last application is establish record documentation keeping procedure. Efficient and record keeping is essential to the application of HACCP system. HACCP procedure should be documented. Documentation and record keeping should be to the nature and size of the operation and sufficient to assist the business to verify that the HACCP control are in place and been mentioned. So documentation example hazard analysis, CCP determination or C critical limit determination. Next is record example are CCP monitoring activities and associate corrective action, verification procedure, perform modification to the HACCP. Their application of HACCP is detailed. Okay, so next देखेंगे हम benefits of HACCP. So there are benefits for the food industry while applying HACCP system as a management tool for food safety control. Some of the important benefits are as follow food safety and reduce risk of foodborne disease, provides greater confidence to customer, reduction in production cost through the reduced wastage, facilities with statutory requirement, current and potential hazard can be identified and remove or minimize. Means provide scientifically sound base for protection of hazard from reaching the end consumer products. HACCP system can promote international trade by increasing confidence in food safety. Okay, so to HACCP topic is over. Thank you.